The disk profile agent will take the name of an executive, the company they work for. It'll then find their LinkedIn profile, their LinkedIn posts, and use that to generate their disk profile. And then it'll give you tips on how you should communicate with them. So it tells you on characteristics. DISC stands for it's an acronym for dominance, influence, steadiness, and conscientiousness. And it tells you basically on each of those factors, dominance, influence, steadiness, conscientiousness, whether the person is high, medium, or low. And as you can imagine, depending on what your formula is, high, medium, low for each of these, the way you like to be communicated is very different. And so what this agent does is it gives you tips on how you should then communicate with that executive. And so here it is. All you need to do in this agent is you go select name of the executive and the company they work for, and you hit go. And this will then go run, and then it'll give you the output. So here's what that output looks like. It tells you the executive's disk profile, tells you why. And again, this is all coming from their LinkedIn profile. So if their LinkedIn profile is not great, this is not going to be that accurate. Tells you how you should then structure a subject line, an opening, a body, a tone, tells you how you should communicate with them in a face-to-face meeting, and then what to avoid when you're talking with them.